so sorry. I'm so sorry, but you need to have that hair off. I had to go get little Chrissy and let her out, let her run around a little bit, because I know Papa didn't get her out. Or the big gelding. Yeah.
It's not bad either.
No, that looks good.
Oh, what am I doing?
I'm having to run with that big boy on me. What were you doing there, bud?
Just for
You
bad
fixed that
faith.
big old ditch up there? Great. Almost disappeared in it.